Welcome to TheFinrate. Today, we're unlocking the hidden potential of your payment data. This isn't just about numbers. It's about transforming your business. Payment data is a goldmine of insights into your customers and their behavior. Let's explore how to leverage it. Understand your customers. Uncover buying patterns, preferences, and customer segments. Predict future trends. Identify emerging opportunities and adapt your strategy. Optimize pricing. Find the sweet spot between profit and customer satisfaction. Reduce customer churn. Detect early warning signs and take proactive steps. Boost marketing ROI. Target the right customers with personalized offers. Strengthen fraud prevention. Protect your business from financial losses. Streamline operations. Optimize inventory, staffing, and shipping. By harnessing the power of payment data, you can make data-driven decisions that drive growth and success. Ready to turn your payment data into a competitive advantage? TheFinrate is here to guide you. Subscribe to our channel for more business growth tips. Thanks for watching.